Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Hessler. I am the Director of Reproductive Surgery here at the Institute for Reproductive Medicine and Science at Barnabas Health. I'm here with my colleague,
Serena Chen. I'm the Director of Third-Party Reproduction at IRMS at St. Barnabas. And today we're talking about a really cool topic called PGS, for Preimplantation Genetic Screening.
So PGS is a procedure that can be done after doing an in vitro fertilization cycle. What can be performed on the actual embryos that are formed is a biopsy and genetic testing to determine if the chromosomal makeup of the embryo is normal. And if it is normal, then that can increase the implantation rate and the success rate with transferring that tested normal embryo.
So why are the chromosomes important? Why do we need normal chromosomes?
Well, in traditional IVF, we transferred embryos based on how they looked under a microscope only, thinking that the ones that developed the most normally and the ones that looked the most normal on day 5 were the genetically normal embryos. However, we know now that a genetically abnormal embryo can still look very good on day 5, would thus be transferred, and however result in a negative pregnancy test. And so what we're trying to do with in vitro fertilization and this genetics testing is improve a person's or a couple's success rates as soon as possible so they can form their family healthier and quickly.
So just to put it in some other terms, like PGS, there's many different forms. The one that we're using right now at Barnabas is called NGS, Next Generation Sequencing, and it sounds high-tech because it really is. It's one of the most exacting techniques for testing these embryos. And essentially what we're doing is kind of a mini amniocentesis. One of the most common causes for miscarriage is an extra or missing chromosome, and we can detect that before we put the embryo in. And next generation sequencing is so good at this that the normal 25% miscarriage rate, or even for a lot of our patients, 50% or higher miscarriage rate, can actually be reduced to down to 3%, which I think is really amazing. So check us out, www.sbivf.com. Learn about all these cool and interesting techniques like PGS with NGS. We have a lot of other material here, and we'd love for you to visit us, or you can call us or contact us through the website. Again, www.sbivf.com. Thanks.